through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
A blood red sunrise dawning, while we always up to the next day morning. And with all the chemicals worn out, made me feel good now. I be drowning in you, so thirsty. Couldn't care less how much it hurts me. Alright, but I'ma buy it back now. Make you fall back. I keep going back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit. Back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit.
Alrighty, ladies and gents.
Let's go.
Goeiemôre, goeiemôre Suid-Afrika. Dit is
Bro, I think it's something to do with the
Nicky
opening
Lieberg.
bell, because I see now the chat doesn't work again. Oh, wait. There we go.
goeiemôre. Sê wie. What was the guy's name from RSG? Was it Nicky?
I think so. Oui.
Goeiemôre julle, dit is Nicky van den Berg. Op Sê wie, goeiemôre. Wil jy ietsie sê, Keegan? Sê ietsie nou.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Is dit wat jy gaan sê? Nee manne, nee.
Ja, nee.
Ja nee,
That
kerel.
is still one of the most confusing things, bro.
Ja nee.
Ja, nee.
Lekker. Chad, was it Nicky van den Berg? Talk to me. Was it Nicky van den Berg? Nicky Vandenberg.
Yeah, man.
Was it lava? Yo, hoe so?
Very hot. I put too much water in.
Oh,
Do you want another?
die kat blaf om te beklemtoon.
Yeah, please.
Nobody's trading is perfect, but trying to predict a crash at all-time highs of the world's biggest safe haven asset puts you in the ground. Yeah, Chad. Hey man, let's have grace towards all traders. We also don't get it right a lot of times, so let's. If somebody called a crash, it's fine. We all get it wrong. We learn. We move. So please, Chad, let's be graceful, all right, with everyone. Let's be patient with everyone. Okay. So I know that Chad gets feisty. They know all-time high plays. They know all of this. And when somebody comes in and wants to short all-time highs, I know it boils your blood. But remember, you were also once there, trying to short all-time highs. So
Ja, nee, Bev. Kijk, die hond blaf.
to beklemtoon. Alrighty, Chad. We already prayed quite a bit this morning. Keegan said he's prayed up till next week. He says if we pray anymore, he's going to start floating in the office, and that will just be a weird look. So We already prayed. If you want quite a bit of prayer and word, trading with faith this morning was very good. Thank you for everyone that joined. It was solid. Do appreciate all of you guys. And Chad, we are gonna get straight into it. All right. If you didn't pray, you need prayer. Quickly go watch that. Come back. Yeah, you're not gonna miss anything. All right. But Kigo, we can switch over to yeah. Let's go. Chad, big one today. We've got FOMC tonight, and then we've got Bank of Canada rate decision. If you're trading USD CAD pairs, just be aware. 4:45 GMT +2. Markets are going to start moving for the CAD, and then tonight FOMC. Markets already priced in. No cut tonight. All right. There shall be no cut tonight. I'm busy preparing an Instagram post for what you can expect, free of charge. So once I'm done with this, I'm quickly going to finish it up for you. Go check that out. That's going to put you ahead of 99.999% of traders that don't know a thing about the FOMC or the FOMC meeting or what to even make of anything that Powell says. So my content as of late is things that I've discussed over and over on stream and things that people ask. So weirdly enough, it's doing well. So people want to know these things. All right, so no rate cut tonight, 95.3. Already looked at a June 1st rate cut expectation, and then October. All right, still hotly contested there. But Chad, let's get straight into it. The yields. I've already looked at yields this morning with the guys. Yields for me is not too important at this stage, purely due to the differential between inflation and yields. So not too stressed about yields at this stage. But dollar obviously getting absolutely crushed yesterday. We did say we're bearish, and as every day I lost my lines on the chart, so just bear with me here, guys. I don't know if it's because I've got another terminal open on the side, but this is very unproductive what I'm doing now. If I tell you guys this is unproductive, this is very unproductive. But anyways, we will figure it out. Okay. Let me just go, this is the daily time frame. If you were wondering, I'm just getting some zones for us to work with. All right. If you didn't know, we are support and resistance traders / ICT traders / SMC traders / order flow traders / volume traders / whatever traders, pivot traders, orb traders, all traders of all color and size. Chad, come on, man. Let's be serious here. Alrighty, so these are our two daily ranges that we've got. We've got range 1, we've got range 2. Okay. Bullish range, if we hold above here. Okay. First things first, holds above here, gives us that room to move up there. Okay. Breaks back below here, gives us room for that previous daily low. Is FOMC could be in a tight little range up until the meeting, or they could move it beforehand. Either way, we are ready. US 30 daily, we've got 10 minutes left. Daily, nice consolidation here. Very, very ugly consolidation currently. But if we start drawing some lines here, then it starts to make a little bit more sense. And we are effectively just in 3 ranges. Okay, so we've got a range 1, range 2, range 3. Range 3 is the bearish range. If you start breaking below yesterday's daily close, we are going low. If we hold there, we're going for 1 and 2. After that, we're going for the upper limit of 1. Okay. So these are our ranges, very simply put. And if we look at it, during Asia, beautifully holding there. Point of control also holding beautifully this morning. Seeing a lot of trading influences using the point of control now. Good to see. POC course loading for only $550,000. 2 spots open. Waitlist will be launched soon. Alright, kidding guys, please. For YouTube videos made again. Anyways, US 30 holding above there, beautiful, bullish. And there's our 200 EMA. There is Asia highs. If we can hold above here, I do think we can push up and actually go and test that upper zone. All right. Otherwise, if we start breaking below there and then start breaking below here, this is where things start to get quite interesting. All right. So still bullish while we hold above this zone, and up until then we are bullish. Okay. Looking on the daily for NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ daily. I'm literally just going to focus on these 2 ranges. The rest for me, I'm not too concerned about. And all-time highs. Let's just make very, very sure we've got all-time highs there. Okay, let's do this. All-time highs. Okay, yesterday we mentioned we can extend to the upper limit of that range. We have done that. Yesterday also, beautiful bounce off that daily zone. Break, retest, simple stuff, 200 EMA. Now, what are we looking at here today? We have yet to really retest this. Can we say this is a retest? Maybe, but it's the first time we've broken above. I want to see a retest there and a hold for me to be confident that we are going for all-time highs. Okay, that is the idea, very simply put there. If you want to chase it up here, beautiful, you can. Wait for your point of control to shift to this level here. Wait for some type of breakout, either out of the range, either draw a little flag, whatever you want to do. If you want to draw a fair value gap, if you want to get an order block, whatever it is that you need for it to go, it can go from here if we get more volume, more consolidation, and you could actually see something like this. All right. Gold, the one everyone is looking for. All right. Daily is just parabolic, super bullish. All right. And what I want to talk about is the 4 hour. So for the gentleman yesterday that was calling for the shorts, I love you, my brother. And again, I don't always get it right. I even had a short that absolutely rammed me over. Okay. It reminds me back in 2007, St. John's College, Easter Festival. Second day of the festival, playing against Grey Bloom. Okay, XAUUSD. For some unknown reason, man stands 15 meters behind the ruck. He takes this massive charge up, and his scrum off passes to him, and I was the poor soul ducking down, not knowing that this guy was going to be Springbok. Anyways, Chad, first time in my life where I got hit by another human body, and for a moment it felt like I was in a washing machine. I wish there was a video. I think that's what it feels like to be knocked out. But XAUUSD is an absolutely... He just rode over me, Keegs. Telling the boys, yeah. Chad, disgusting. That team was disgusting.
Yeah, bro, at this point, sorry, you could literally just keep doing the all-time high play and you make
and you make money. Right, Chad, sorry, man. But yeah, Kuni, if you're watching this, my brother, 2007 St. John's Easter Festival, I will never forget it. I never knew another human body can just absolutely wreck you like that. Alrighty, chat. So from yesterday, I mentioned at 4 hour, we have yet to break any 4 hour structure. And for us to even start contemplating some type of pullback, we're going to need some type of bearish 4 hour structure. It is difficult to start looking for buys at all-time highs. It's just a case of if you're not willing to sit on your hands, then you could get hurt here. Okay, get hurt very, very quickly. Pullbacks can happen. Consolidations can happen. Yesterday, if you go and watch the analysis, I mentioned to you guys, and I said if we get back above this point of control, okay, I said we can go bullish. All right. Again, pushed above the point of control, had a bit of a consolidation. There was your 200 EMA. There was your re-break above. I don't think I would have ever traded this, to be honest, but there were signs that it wanted to go long. Okay, so now for today, this is chalked. My Chad, it is chalked. It is chalked. Okay. Where do you? I don't even know what to do with this. I want to. Let me just see. Yeah, Chad. This is just you can watch it. Okay. I already told the guys, if you look at your volume profile here, look how evenly spread the volume is. We don't have any P profile or B profile. Okay, P profile is like that, where you've got a nice chunk of volume in a certain level. This is kicks and motocross. What do they call these little? Bevy, you should know. What do they call that segment? There's a segment. Whoops, yeah, whoops. This is called the whoop segment. And if you try trading the whip segment, Bevy will tell you if you don't keep it on the back wheel and that front wheel, you get a whoops and you wobble. So I'm not touching gold. There's nothing here. I still told the guys this morning during the pre-market call, I said I would love a consolidation here. And if we can have some type of point of control build up. Let me just see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. Sorry, Kiggs, I'm not even giving you a chance here, my brother.
Bro, I'm chilling, no stress.
Ooh, I can't show you guys that. Anyways, they will concur. So I'm not doing anything. I need pullbacks, I need consolidations, I need a lot of things to happen here before I can press any buttons here today. But Chad, that is my rapid fire analysis. I'm going to just open up these markets for us, and then Keegan will bedazzle you guys. Chad's markets are open and in motion for the official 5th round of the week. FOMC, ding, ding, ding.
What the hell was that, bro? You sound like a hardy dog dying over there.
Alrighty, Kigo, over to you. Bedazzle us. Bedazzle us.
Let's see what we can get you today, guys. So, again, gold, just something else. But dollar, again, Chad, these markets are just one way at this point in time. The dollar, I think, is something special is going to have to happen right now for the dollar to turn around. So until that point, I'm pretty much going to be bearish against the dollar. We obviously have the major events such as the FOMC coming out tonight. We'll be moving into the new month, CPR, NFP, all these type of things. Something's going to have to change for us to start making that that drastic change on these markets. Until that point in time, I don't see anything major happening. So if we look in today, we have opened up with a little bit of a gap to the top side. But already tried to close it. We did fall short. So again, gap is technically still open. But what we want to see over here now is, again, very, very tight Asia range. So Asia highs, Asia lows, had the fake outs. We could see this break a little bit higher, but I think you're going to close pretty much here. And I think, again, pretty much just range for the whole day. ahead of FOMC. I don't think the dollar's going to do anything too crazy until that. So we're going to have to just
Keith,
monitor.
sorry, man. Did you say you love for your Asians to have their ranges start?
That is, I think, rephrased a little bit.
Oh, sorry. I just caught the tail end of it there.
But message before that one. Okay. But going over to gold, what does that mean for us? Gold to go absolutely one way. As Cribbo was saying to you guys, we saw this thing absolutely run all-time highs last night. I think the quickest 400, 600 pip move I've seen in a while.
Keith, sorry, man. Why were we gaming and watching the charts? Because both of us were like, gold just ran all-time highs now.
To be fair,
I always have my charts in
I only saw it because the guys were messaging on the Prodigy group.
Oh, okay.
And then I went to go look at it. And I was like, what's going on here? And then I saw the pump.
Okay.
So I wasn't technically watching the charts open. I think if the charts were open, I probably would have gone for it because I'm a DJ like that. But yeah, I was more just because the group was all talking about
And
it.
I always have it on the side. I don't know why.
I think geopolitical tensions is moving the market. Geopolitical, I don't know.
Things.
Literally, that big move we had last night, that was when Trump started talking. So anyone that was awake, you can just go see. Literally, that was Trump last night that caused that big move on gold. You can go look exactly. Remember, he spoke at 11 o'clock last night. So when that pump came, that was Trump. So geopolitical, there's quite a bit you can add into that as a whole. But gold absolutely going one way. Today, I don't think it'll be anything crazy. This is something to talk about, and if we look at where gold is at, and one of the guys that even mentioned it last night, when we see how gold is running, we always make the jokes about it, but a lot of the analysts are all saying it is very much on the table that we could see gold at 7,000 by the end of this year. If you look at what gold's doing now, we're doing almost $100, $150 a day. So it's not something that's going to be completely off the table, but again, at some point, gold is not going to keep doing this every single day. It's going to have pullbacks. In the pullbacks, it's going to go into ranges. So we're just going to have to see. Now, again, gold is one of those things where at the moment we've had now officially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bullish days in a row. To keep in all complete fairness, I think the most bullish days gold's ever had is like 5, maybe 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so even where we had a few 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there was on 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, this thing is
1, 2,
cooking,
3,
dude.
4, 5. Yeah, like we've had a few in the past, but the big thing is also when we had it in the past, it's nowhere close to the amount of volume it has done. I mean, look at that, guys. That in basically a week. Just think about that. In a week is absolutely ridiculous.
How much did it do in a week?
That is 6,500. Basically 6,600 pips.
Sheesh.
That is crazy stuff, guys.
That is disgusting stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, very, very insane for gold. But if you can't count, you probably would also be saying that was 65,000 pips gold is done in a week. So however you want to take it. But nonetheless, let's get in here. Now, I don't know if I'm going to personally try force something now. The only reason I say that is because there's two things that are going to happen here. We took gold at all-time highs. So this morning, that was our gold trade over there, breaking Asia highs. And also all-time highs. So that was the trade over there. Left a 1-to-1. So 1-to-1 being our 100 pips. And then a little runner just to 200, and then that was me completely out of the position. But that was that, and now this thing is still just absolutely continuing. The only problem is, I always say to you guys, you have a pair that's completely going parabolic at this point. The only thing is, at what situation you're going to keep trying to buy the all-time high, and eventually it's going to give. Eventually it's going to turn around. Eventually the trend is going to bend. So you need to watch out for that. Now, that is the only thing where I think, yeah, I don't necessarily want to touch it. I would like, as Linda would always say, just to see some type of pullback, a pullback, take out like some lows here, and then something like that, I will look to go long again. But as we trade right now, I don't think I can touch that there, guys. That is just the reality of it. Yesterday, I caught on crap, so I needed a bit of damage control. Today was a nice start to that, but I still need to do a little bit more. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Gold obviously very much bullish, but we're gonna have to just wait and see. I'm gonna need a little bit of a pullback before I can get involved there. Keys, I learned how to read gold pips yesterday. But slowly keeping it, so 20 minutes monitor. Actually, where is London? Yo, where is London, guys? I actually haven't seen London in a while. Is London one of the good soldiers we have lost? Facts, even 10k by 2027, yeah. Chris, last night I had 50.81 longs, but I didn't took it because I was either way for. You know, Jin. So going back to this is something crazy. One of the guys I was chatting to last night, and he has been there. Absolutely crazy. The guy saying to me it was literally one of the biggest trades he's had, and purely just because he took it. I need to show you guys something. This, keep in mind, guys, this is over one day, and I know the guy so he is legit. So please, he's not selling you guys anything. But on this little fake out over here, I think a few guys would know why he took this trade, but I'm not gonna say anything. That buy over there, so you guys can see 5068 was his entry. Okay, he got in on the position over there, and all he did was he monitored the lows. Okay, so he monitored this here, basically the highs of the session, which coincidentally it was just weekly R1s. After this break, he went break even. He's been holding the position. He held the position till this morning now to 51.68. So it was basically 100 pip, 1,000 pips, sorry. And it was just over, so something like that. That position, and let's just keep in mind, you're looking at this on a 15-minute time frame. We're not talking anything crazy. A 15-minute time frame. And we always say when you look at it like this, you forget actually how big that move is. And I'll say that's 1,000 pips happening there, which just happened instantly at that time, and then into early hours of this morning. The guy traded 5 lots on gold. Now again, the math should get there for you already quickly. 5 lots on gold. He's done swing trades that haven't taken and got this size, and in the space of literally 4 hours, basically getting close to midnight to the open of today, $50,000 trade. Absolutely ridiculous. Bihara, you need to go do a little bit more math there, my brother. $100 move with a 5 lot is $5,000. So if you did $1,000, but yeah, $50,000 trade in a few hours, and literally just placing a but like he had like a big like emotional thing about the trade and that, and I'll give the guy credit. Same thing, he's done what Donver did in the past. He documented his whole personal account, did everything. I think he's been trading that account for like 4 years now, 3 years, and only now, I mean, the account's like 300,000 USD. But
What did he start with?
he started with, I think, 10,000.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Should give it to some of the South African influencers. They
But
got down that in 2 days.
But monster trade, I think, and the only reason I'm showing that, guys, is just to put into perspective how aggressive these markets are moving. That is someone who's a swing trader, and he's hitting massive swing trade positions in a few hours. So yeah, absolutely crazy times we're seeing there in gold. I think if you think of it as well, if you take from this morning, literally from the morning, just to think of it that way, from the morning to now, we've done $100 on gold. So from market open till 11, we've done $100 on gold. So it is absolutely crazy stuff we're seeing, guys. Yeah, Keith, even now look at the 1 minute candle is 80 pips. Yeah. I think that's what people are forgetting. I mean, you can look at a candle like that. Yeah, there's your 80 pip candles. That little one that's dropped there already is nearly a 50 pip drop. Sure. And then there's people who are trading like that now in the markets, bro. Imagine.
So I was just,
Imagine, bro. This is the markets, and that's what you're trading for.
What do you mean?
That's what some people are in and out.
Killed.
Smashed. Like yeah, before last year March, if it was printing 50 pips, yeah. Then my brother slash keys likely I was swinging to Asia lows. I got out at 4,750. Guys, what's your opinion on applying and moving to USA? Would any of you move to USA? If you could, I have option to do so. I personally don't think I would.
I would love to be in the US.
Like there's
You know that song? Born in USA.
there's two ways to go around it. I mean, obviously it could be awesome there and stuff, but at the same time, obviously with family, friends, a lot of them moved overseas. I think a lot of people always come back and say we actually take for granted the life we do have in South Africa. Like we have a lot of issues, we do, but we do actually have a very good life here in South Africa.
We do.
So I don't know if I'd want to give that up to go overseas.
Alrighty, Chad, I'm looking at a position, and the position is... No position is also a position. You know that, eh, Keeks?
100%, bro. I'm going to put it on your screen there quickly just so I can
You
try.
can. What is on your chart there?
Some candles.
No, but what chart is... Oh, it's gold. Is it 1 minute?
5 minutes.
Bro, no. Oh, there was another chart on there. Alrighty, ladies and gents and ladies. Is this a pullback before it goes up? Or just gonna go down all day? Just asking, new to this game. In a lot of games, you first need to go to the practice lobby a little bit before you jump into career mode. Chad, let me put it to you this way. Sentiment is super bullish. We can all agree. The issue with sentiment is it's usually close to a turning point when, if you think about the Dow Jones theory, it talks about that climax that the market makes. And I'm not saying gold is climaxing. That sounds terrible, but they did say the climax phase of the market. It is horrific, Chad, but absolutely disastrous. But what I'm saying,
We're about to witness Chris Markable climax here for us, guys.
I will climax if NASDAQ and US30 can just absolutely run all-time highs again, and Tesla is at $800, then I shall climax. But for now, anyways, Chad. So what I want to say is that as easy as it is to just buy gold and it's been going up, there is going to come a stage where pullbacks are going to happen and positioning is gonna change. I don't know if we can actually get is there a COT report here? Is there a COT report? Oh, there is. Okay. But we actually need a little bit more data on the COT. Or this guy who developed it. Oh, can you move this actually? Okay. So currently as it stands on the weekly. Chad, help me out here. I destroyed where's my chart? How do I get my chart back? Okay, wait, before I look at the chat, let's figure it out here. I've seen this before. I've seen this before. Okay, Chad, help me out here. Quickly. I just maximize my indicator. How do I minimize this? Chad, now's a good time to assist me here. Jen, I wish I could see your longs. How did I get this? Okay, wait. Let's try again. I'm just going to delete it. Okay. So, COT report indicator. There we go. Alrighty. A few things to look at here. I don't know how retail traders, I don't know where this guy got his data from. But that does not look right, that retail traders are in line with non-commercials. So I think this, yeah, that is fake. Futures and options. Yeah, no, I think this is fake. Anyways, commercials, those are the guys actually in the mining industry. So what they do is if price goes up, they hedge price by going short. Then obviously you've got your non-commercials, the smart money, if you want to call it that, institutional. They will trade with the price. Okay. So what I do want to say and what I do want to point out is that, remember, reversals don't happen when they start selling. Okay. Because remember, they need to offload their positions. They need liquidity to offload it. So what I don't know how, bro, I don't know. I don't think this is accurate. Let me rather go here. Let me rather get it from the government website. Okay, chat, I think you guys can see this. Let's quickly check. I've got an idea. Kiggs, I'm gonna show you something now.
Hey, I'm waiting, bro. See the magic.
I'm gonna show you guys something incredible now. I'm gonna show you the power of.
Let's see it, bro.
Just hit a big brain moment here. Okay, give me 1 second, Kigo. Give me 1 second, chat. I've got an idea for us. I've got an idea. It's gonna be beautiful.
It's gonna be big.
It's gonna be incredible.
Any moment.
Okay, let's quickly. Okay, if somebody wants to do this, okay, I'm also gonna do it. But to create a prompt, I don't know if there's any web developers. To create a prompt for ChatGPT to every week go to this website to collect the data to then show it to us in this format for gold, and then to have the ability to bring that into trading view so that we see it like this. Okay. We only want to look at smart money, institutional money. But anyways, chat. So what I want to show you is that from that peak, okay, 56% long, 8.5% short. So last week, smart money did not add to their longs. You can see that they've been building long since the 21st of the 10th. What is that? October? No. September, Keeks. 10th month. Talk to me. Quick math.
Bro, what am I doing?
What is the 10th month? Is it September or what is it?
What, the 10th?
The 10th month. What month is it?
Is it October?
It is October, Keeks. And I said October, but then you said September. Alright, so what you're gonna see here is once this positioning, let me just see what you guys see. What smart money is gonna do is into these highs, they are gonna start offloading positions, alright? And that is when you're gonna start seeing the correction happen. I think on barchart.com, let me just check here. Let me just check here quickly. I don't know how accurate this is. Let me do this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can also watch commercials if they start building long positions. Oh, but look here, they were wrong. Wow.
Sure. The big brains aren't always right.
Wow, look at this.
Uh,
Let's quickly look at a 10-year. What's interesting here, Keegs, is if you look at the following year. So, green is commercials, swap dealers, blue is, but we want the inverse of these two. Okay, so the green and the red, they are inversely correlated. So if you look at that peak there, look beforehand, they started offloading. Okay, and then this was just actually a massive consolidation. Bro, we can't actually use this. What am I doing? What am I doing here? Then we started building. So the weird thing though is if you look at their peak positioning was in September 2024. So I don't know, bro. This thing is just massively bullish. Alright, chat, scrap that. We just buy all-time highs. Close your eyes, take a buy, and make money. That's.
I feel like you confusing yourself there, bro.
No, I'm trying to pick up whether guys are offloading into these highs and whether there's actually strength into the highs, but it doesn't really matter because I'm just a support and resistance trader. Just use weekly VWAP node, big node is fine. When the court report gets pulled, there's no hope. No, Brian, like I said, like I told the guys this morning, where gold is going to trade in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months is none of our business. I just want to know where gold is going to trade today. It's weird that guys feel the need to say that on a weekly time frame. They draw stuff like this on a weekly. I don't know why.
Just to make them feel smart.
So in exactly 420 days, gold will first do this, that, there, boom. And I'm like, that's great. But how are we trading today? Are we not day traders? Is there not an exclamation on the day traders? Should we not look at the current day? Oh, no, but we need to know where they go. Yeah, no, while guys are calling, when everyone gets super bullish,
then I'll start selling.
Then I will say, so if your bar, okay, but our barber already talked about, he had gold that he sold, and okay, but our barber follows us on IG, so we can't use that, Keegs.
Oh, he's educated.
Yeah, our barber is next level. Our barber is on another level. Yeah, no, there's no need for that. Superhero. Luckily we're not in a trade. Yeah, this sign has taken a lot of money from us, geeks. How long have you guys been trading?
Too long.
Yeah, we started an hour ago, 9:30, so literally in 10 seconds it would be an hour. But we haven't taken any trades, so it's 60 minutes. We've been on now for 60. This is our Chris. Hey, Anna D. Is that 5-finger D, Keegs?
Should be.
But she's only given us the 4-finger though, not the 5. Chris, by any chance did you had investigated in Bullion Vault? Chris, by any chance did you had investigated in Bullion Vault? No. Just for context, Chad, I don't know how it came about, but we asked Anna to send us a picture with 3 fingers. And then it was 4, but I don't think we had the 5 one. No Bullion Vault for me. Just some shitty mining stocks in SA. It's absolutely doing poorly. Let me see if I don't even look at it. I just made peace with it. I'm just holding these shit bags. Bro.
My solo lobbies are back. Got a free Bobcat and a blueprint from a nice guy. You got a Bobcat blueprint?
Yo, Jaxie, my lobbies are cute.
No ways, Jax.
Jax, our lobbies are sweat, my dude. You don't even want to know. You know how sweaty your lobbies are when you go through 10 shield recharges, 20 bandages.
Nah, guys, I don't know what lobby Chris put us in last night.
Jax, when I say sweat lobbies, my dude, it is you. That was disgusting.
And there goes gold.
Yeah, this portfolio is just burning to the ground here. I'm literally just in a matter of a week or two. What is that, 100k? Hi.
Should have bought a gold mine.
Yeah, I know my bags are still minus 40%. Yo. Tungela, Kumba Iron Ore. Ah, these are stories you can tell one day at the fireplace. Time to sweat Stella with the gig so expensive to grab the pocket anyway, not worth it. What is the Exodus module? Gold has now officially put in $1,000 monthly candle. Che. Chad, I don't think you guys have an idea of the volatility we have now. If you go back, I just want to show you guys something. There was a time when gold's daily range was $5. I just want to show you guys quickly. There was a time when the entire daily range for gold Sorry, I'm on US 30, bro. Sorry, Chad. Yo, I thought.
But I remember those days, bro. A $2 move on gold was a big move.
Chad, I just want to take you guys back a little bit. Just take you back in time a bit here. Let's quickly look at these moves here. This is a daily time frame. That's $14. Okay. This right here, that's a $7 daily candle. That right there, okay, is a $10 daily candle. Let's go back. Look at these daily candles. $6 daily candle. Now, let's quickly fast forward 9 years. Let's quickly look at some of these daily candles we've got here. Oh wow, $146 daily candle. Let's bring it down to the 5. Let's quickly look at some of these 5-minute candles, ladies and gents, just for comparison here. That 5-minute candle is a $20 in one 5-minute candle, just for context. So there was a time where this 5-minute candle was literally equivalent to a weekly candle, geeks.
Literally, bro.
Like the negative RR traders, do they go for like 2 pips then? Or like if we had to go back to that, again, I'm just asking for a friend here. Do you go like 2 pips? Too soon, okay. Okay. Jakes, I will ruin your lobbies if you join me, my dude. Ask Keegan.
Bro, that man, I was put to work last night.
Yo. You know when you get third partied, fourth partied, fifth partied. So that one fight, we down the guys. 2 teams attack us. Then those 2 teams get attacked by 2. It's like vultures. They just hear gunfight.
Like everywhere we went, by the time we died, there's like 10 to 12 bodies on the floor.
I'm like, Keegs, are we gonna loot? No, just PvP. Okay, let's go. Stellar raids being friendly.
Nah, bro. Those lobbies last night were something else.
Yeah, that was.
Like, that was properly ridiculous.
We're not really gonna take a trade yet today. Eh?
We?
We.
We.
We. Our we were.
What were you saying?
I'm seeing a nice bullish flag here, Keeks.
A bullish flag. Guys, for those of you that don't know, that is the best type of flag.
A bulala.
At this point, bro, we can go we can go celebrate. We can go get some fireworks, and we can go just have a good time because we've got power again.
Chad, talk to us. Markets are relatively slow here. What do you guys want to hear? Ask those burning questions that you've got. Don't hold it back. Brian will confirm you with me. He will tell you. Don't let it back. Chad is very chill there, Keeks. I think it was it a week ago when the chat was a little bit agitated. Guys going at one another. Chris Marketable, can we talk about the fact that me and Steve killing multiple teams and Jakes is just busy looting all the bodies? Dude, Jake still needs to redeem himself. That when he ran away, he's like, oh, they're on me. By the time we die, like, all right, boys, I'm safely extracting. See you guys. Keeks, how do you love that, huh?
That was something
It's
else.
like, Jakes, they're yeah. Oh, yeah, no, I'm at Xville, 450 meters away. It's like...
But I will say, and I'm this is not throwing shade on our boys here. Slush, you and Steve, bro. You guys apparently wipe out people, and the minute we in a lobby it, nah, boys, he was 1 HP. He was 1 HP. And we keep getting wrecked.
I
I don't know if we just in
Lacquer
harder
with-
lobbies or I don't know what's going on.
I played Lacquer with Steve on Sunday. Sunday we really wrecked the boys. But I don't know, bro.
Maybe the guys are better
lobbies,
now because they locked in, bro. They've had a lot of
the
time to lock in.
The lobbies last night was
No, the lobby is large
Okay,
now
but
or something
to be
else.
fair, Keeks, when me and
But sorry, I saw on the update, you can do quads now.
huh? No way, no lie.
No, they said squad, so that's my thing. Is a squad still a trio, or is a squad a quad now?
Wait. Let's search.
Because in the update they did, you can even, there's a mode now, you can choose solos versus squads.
How would you?
Squads is a trio, okay. I was just checking, is it still staying the same?
No. Squad is.
Keys,
nah.
what do you think about barcoding? If a man needs cash real quick, but it's all confluence degree. If you barcoding, you just a scammer. Because just explain to me, what is the benefit of barcoding if you could just enter that in one position? Just explain that to me.
It's weird because how do you move your stop loss if you've barcoded? Like now you barcoded 20 positions. There's not a bulk operation like you.
Like that's what I say. There's a difference in sizing in if every 50 pips on drawdown I'm entering, and I know I only enter 4 pips in drawdown, so I will have 4 positions open and I've scaled into the position. That is different. When you barcoding and you're opening up 200, 300 positions right on top of each other, what is the point of that? Like if
maybe
someone
it
can
feels
just...
it feels good. I don't know. Chad, kindly note if you didn't see my Instagram post yesterday, there is a discount code for you, ladies and gents. It is called $30 for 30% off all accounts. $30, 2 L's. That is how I spell dollar. Eh? Dollar.
Yeah, but because at the same time, if you barcode, you can just enter one big position. You'll still have the whole account at risk. But you can enter one big position. If I enter 10 0.01s, I can just enter one.
No, you know why they do it, Keegs. If you think about it, for instance, like they trade in news events, so they go smaller size to get all of the maximum amount of margin they can. Where, for instance, they won't be able to open up 2 lots, but they can open up 1.3.
No,
so
yeah,
that's
but
why
you can
that's
enter,
why they.
No, but I'm saying, but you can then enter one big one and then just empty out the last bit of margin.
I don't think they thought about that.
J News, now we're waiting for our position now, brother. Can you use 2 codes to buy one prop firm? No.
No, you choose the strongest one.
Bro, have you looked at anything?
Is it raining outside?
Yeah, have you looked at anything of the testing?
I haven't. I've looked at the cars.
I had a little bit of a thing I watched, and I'm just like, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm gonna just wait until
What are you feeling?
everyone's saying the Ferrari is very good,
Yeah, you can, bro.
and that's why I'm just like, I'm not even getting my hopes up.
I think the Ferrari is solid.
Like Ted Kravitz, first lap that Ferrari was out, he was like making comments about how the way Hamilton was driving, you could see it's like that he's so comfortable in the car. Then Charles even made the comment he wants to put Ferrari back on top this year in 2026. And like even because the first day Mercedes was on top, then Russell even came out and said he's worried about the
Is
Ferrari.
there official timing?
Yeah, and then
Well, no, where did you find the official?
it's on F1. Then Russell even came out and said he's worried about the Ferraris.
Alrighty.
I think it's going to be close. I think it's going to be the typical 4 teams at the moment, like Red Bull, Mercedes, Ferrari, McLaren. I just think it's going to be a lot closer than the previous seasons. But I think I'm not getting my hopes up. I'm going to wait until that first race.
F1 TV is actually a scam because I've been paying for it every month and there's been no races.
What's the major difference between ZAR and USD prop firms? The one is going to show it to you in rands, the other is going to show it to you in dollar. That is literally the difference. It's just what
Kicks, but really it says it's tasting that now.
No, they test the whole week.
But
They're
yeah,
tasting now.
but yeah, on F1 it only shows tasting Bahrain 11 to 13
What are you
Feb on F1 TV.
on? Not on TV, bro.
You said it's official testing. Then
It is
should-
official testing.
Barcelona's just shakedown, bro. It's not official testing. It's just
There's literally all the things there, bro.
I see some videos. Red Bull have gone with the zero pod design. You see that? Alright, Ferrari looks fast, my dude.
They don't open all the positions from the same level. They secure in profit the first position and then they keep and add in on the previous. Florentine, I can show you right now. They're all literally on the same position. Like I can pull up multiple examples and show you they're literally all in the same position. That's why I said scaling in is a different thing. That is different to barcoding.
What is Ham's feeling on the cars?
But also the margin call comes when positions close. Yes, that's correct. But again, if you've maxed out your account, remember you running a total run. So markets are moving so quickly, all positions are still going to close at the same time because they're all together.
Bro, it's weird that Red Bull went with the zero pod.
Yeah, I know, but like, it's just why there's such a difference when it comes to buying a chat.
Why would they go zero? Okay, it's not a full zero pod.
So Don, when are you saying there's such a difference? What difference are you referring to? What do you guys think about the new F1 team Cadillac? I think they're not going to be anything special. I think Audi maybe, but I don't know about Cadillac.
I don't think any of that's it's a difficult sport. Other guys have years and years of data experience. Okay, but look at Braun that year with Jenson Button and who was his teammate
Wait, which one are we talking about?
when Jenson won the world championship with Braun. They had the white car. Was it not Massa?
I want to say Master.
Chad, Formula 1 guys, talk to me. Chris, look, gold. It hit my 80. Jen. Beautiful Jen winner. Did you short?
What's the difference between scaling and barcoding?
Bro, okay, we're done with the scaling and barcoding. Chill. Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Oh, horror.
No, I'm gonna quickly because we're gonna educate you quickly. We're gonna do a little because the fact that if people don't even know the difference with it. If we look here, guys, if I barcode, okay, if I scale in, like I said, it's a mathematical equation. Okay, I sound stupid saying that, but there's a plan behind what you're doing. So if let's say I enter here, bang, I know I've entered there. Then I say, okay, every 50 pips, I will enter another position of the same size. And I'll know I'm only going to enter a maximum of 4 positions. So then I know every 50 pips, there will be one, there'll be one, there'll be one. And once I've got all 4 positions, my max there, all of them are the same lot size. Let's say a 1 lot, 1 lot, 1 lot, 1 lot. That's scaling in. Then there's a fixed stop loss where all of these will close out and I move on with my day. Okay? When you barcode, I'm entering here and I'm going 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 drawdown, and then that's it. Now the problem is here, if it's all in drawdown, they're all in drawdown. If they're all in profits, they're all in profits. They will still all close out at the same time. This is barcoding. That is scaling in.
Okay. Prop firm match charges money for you to be listed on their thing, so it's not due to any. There's actually no. How can I say, Keegs? There's no. I don't want to say no transparency, but the listings are not based on. I can't say pedigree. How do I say if something's listed or aggregated on a leaderboard? Like in terms of their listing is based on how much you pay. The guy that pays the most is listed number one.
Oh, I know what you're trying to say. There is an actual word for it, but I can't think what that word is now.
Yeah, it's Chris, you don't look good. Hey Jen, I thought you look good. Chris needs another vacay. What is the word? Not pedigree, bro. Pedigree. Where the heck?
It's not your pedigree. It's
Anyways, the rating is based on how much you pay. So the guys that are number one on there pay a lot. I think it's $50,000 a month to be put in the top 3. You buy a package. Same as with the brokers, all of these awards they win, they don't actually win shit, you buy it. So all of those awards, it's you just buy it. They email you, got all of these packages, they've got a following, they've got a newsletter, you can use it. So it doesn't really mean anything. None of those awards, they pay for it all. Yeah, pay to win to be listed higher.
oh yeah, that's technically the gaming term. But yeah.
So if you can build a big following, get a lot of website traffic, you can charge a lot of money for people
Like
to be
everyone
on.
does. It's either called your pay to play, pay to win, sponsored rankings, paid rankings, auction based ranking, bought placement, and monetized ranking.
I wonder if prop firm match discloses that to people, that those rankings are based on how much you pay.
I think probably somewhere in the very tiny T's and C's it's probably there. Hey, did Auntie Linda maybe give us an entry yet, bro? I think we missed it.
It's not for me. Are you trading on the 1 minute now?
I am. This fizzy bubbly.
What are you trading now?
I'll trade on the 5 minute as well.
What are you trading?
Gold.
Yeah, but
I
What
can't pull it up, yeah.
what criteria?
That fizzy bubbly.
No, but show it, it's not on your screen. Show me what it is.
So if you go on the 5, it's nice, but I would have liked that one over there.
Just on the first pullback.
Yeah.
It's dangerous, but I like it.
Danger's my middle name. Technically the 5, we could still get it though, bro. Do we get ready and take a shot? Dun, 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 dun.
Nah, I'm not touching all this, bro. There's nothing here for you, geeks.
You gotta lock in, bro. How bad do you want it?
Put it there on your screen. I'll take your signal though. I like it, Kriba. Hyper focus on NAS. Bring NAS back. NAS is the only one that looks like it could give us something, but not at this stage. I was hoping for some type of consolidation breakout here. Breaking lower though. Daily R2 fell to hold there. So very likely we come back here.
My only thing is you are seeing the 1 hour is gonna close now.
On gold.
Yeah. So I will probably wait and see what this 1 hour does. J News. If your volume is on, my brother, you will hear what we are doing. New hourly keys now, Brian. That's why I'm gonna wait for that. Because when I was looking at that, like the hourly bottom wick candles all have like an average of like 50 to 80 pips of a bottom wick.
So we're gonna take an hourly wick full play.
So see the wick full go down.
So
and
you're
then
first
come back
down
up.
on the flip, and then we just go for R2.
There we go. See, that's a nice play.
Wow, look at
There's
that.
a plan, bro. We actually thought this one through.
And then we sell if it opens up, creates a top wick first, and then
There we go, bro. Big brain.
wow. So we're someone taking wick full plays.
You gotta keep them guessing, bro. Never let them know your next move.
So we're trading CRT now.
What the hell, CRT?
Candle range theory.
Yeah, we're doing that.
Is there a CRT indicator? Oh, there is. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it doesn't look like anything. What's it supposed to do? Bearish CR. But how do I use this though?
No money, no honey. There we go. Let's get ready, ladies and gents.
Oh, we doing this, Kicks.
I promise you, I'm just gonna wait for this hourly open.
Stops on the bottom wick after the flip. Is that what we're saying?
Bro, we just we're gonna put the house on it.
Or we can develop a strategy, Keeks. Listen to this.
Alright, I'm listening.
We use the 9 o'clock hourly candle. We pull a box around it. We then use that box as either a support area or a potential rejection area, almost like a tiny little Asia range. So we should actually be short now.
I like my plan better.
Think about that strategy. You don't like it?
I thought about it. I took it to the council, and
There's the
they
trade,
aren't the
Keith.
biggest fans of it.
Let's see what it did 9 o'clock yesterday.
New strat unlocked.
I'm not taking anything now. I'm just playing with you guys. Let's see. Was this the hourly? Are we just giving ideas to the influencers watching the streams, guys? We're just giving them some new strats. Coming to an influencer near you. Check out that kick. So
Kruber wants to sell gold again. There we
no,
go.
I'm not. Chad, I don't even have my terminal open. You check here, Kigo. So
Bro,
there
I've
was.
got an
So
entry
there was your
criteria.
fake out. Came back in. Boom.
I want my entry criteria, bro. If it doesn't give me entry, I don't take it.
Coming to an influencer near you. I gave you the source here. Put that in an ear and smoke it.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
Let me just remove this before Oaks think I'm in a position there. I'll just put it back if it plays out. Okay, Keegs, you busy.
There's no position for me as it
Nah,
stands.
I see you. I see you, my G. You're taking flip, eh?
The flip ski.
So you're gonna have a 25 pip. There you should be in. Are you in?
No, not that flip, bro.
What flip are you looking at?
The flip.
What is the flip, bro?
The
That thing-
flip with the OES conversion to the Sky Super Rocket flip.
This thing flipped bullish, man. Dude. There's bullish. You should be in.
I'm not
you,
yet, bro.
You told me the hourly flip with your stop at the bottom wick.
Well, maybe we're talking about the next hourly.
Nah, my G. You should have. There, you could have almost gone break even.
Nah, bro, not
Bro,
yet. Not
look
yet.
at that.
Not yet, bro. Watch.
Look at that. Killed, destroyed.
On a stretcher.
They're done, my dude.
Not yet, bro.
That was actually even
All good things come to those who wait.
if you really want to make it saucy, you're going to go 1-to-1 there. If you really want to put some sauce on it.
I'm not in, guys.
Bruh, you're making me list now to take this trade.
There we go, guys. There's a 200 pip move on gold.
Brian. Hey, Brian. Brian.
No entry. If you think about it, there's a little chef's kiss there, bro.
For the short.
If you think about it, so it's not online. There's your...
That's what I'm saying, bro.
No, I'm saying because there's the bar, but then now there is your...
Exactly. That's not a chef's kiss. We
That's
call
the-
that-
the-
we call that
the
the
chef's-
smash burger.
Is that the smash?
That's called it. That is called the smash burger, my dude.
Just wake up 1 a.m., then close eyes and just buy, then wake up at 10 a.m. and see the fruits of your labor. I mean, right now, that's not the worst plan.
You know when gold is gonna start dropping? When you see these youngsters on TikTok. Hey guys, I just made $10,000 trading gold and I'm gonna show you how easy. Then we cook, bro. Then we are. And once the OnlyFans models start saying trading is so easy, can watch me trade gold. Cooked. Gold is done. So that should be your indicator. OnlyFans chicks on TikTok starting to trade gold. youngsters that literally haven't, a shaver hasn't touched their skin, telling you how to trade gold. We cooked them.
Again, the one thing I'm not liking about this trade now, bro, is we're getting to the point where we're watching it and that volume is slowly disappearing again.
I gave you the short.
There's still no short there.
Bro, the short was here.
Bro, that short's like 10 pips.
There was your short, bro.
Bro, the short isn't even in profits.
No, but you can get a better entry now. Look at that, bro. There's your short. Easy plays.
Iron 2000, what is that doing?
Easy plays for you kicks.
Bro, even Iron 2000 is buying.
No, Brian. I'm talking about if their main hustle is OnlyFans and they start posting trading content. Done. We are cooked. Check center on the group now.
Wait, what are we sending on the group?
Oh, they picked. Yo, is that a parlay? Is that a one game slash? That parlay. Over 2.5 goals. Holy smokes.
Wait. Why are we...
No, it's a parlay you put in there.
What's the return on that?
Huh?
What's the return?
It's gonna be ridiculous because there's like 15 games in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Dude, what is the odds on that? Must
Right,
be
so
like
it's-
1 to 1,000.
That entry was that lacquer OES. Plamena, unfortunately, you are incorrect. So you're going to have to go back to the classroom. That was not OES.
That is the set and forget. You set and you forget to place your stop loss, and I hope it plays out.
I took that short. Hope you're correct.
Who took what short? Hi, chef. You should not take anything you've got no clue about.
Like for the bet, I put down like 12 to 13k return, Keeks. But that's obviously based on what... It's a 45.7
Only
odds.
45.
Damn, bro.
That's not a lot though.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't.
Nah, that's not a lot. I thought it's like 200, 300.
Fortunately, you don't understand sarcasm, Keeks.
Hi, Keeks, calm down, man.
Where's me calm
Keeks.
down?
P-Bird is just pulling your leg here.
Hi.
Getting aggressive here, my little P.
Where did I get aggressive now?
Chad, we're gonna be honest. The PP strat actually comes from Plamena. The little P.
I took the short risk 1-to-1 and just hit TP, then pulled back.
Dude, can we get a re-entry on what? We are not in anything, my dude. We are literally not in anything.
Sure, guys.
I'm honestly not. I'm just vibing here for views.
If gold's not gonna move you, bro, then I'm gonna just leave it.
We are literally just putting in our shift, looking at 2,000 views currently. If we can get 1,000 more, that's going to be $3 for the stream. And we've done our work. That puts our tally on $12 for the week.
Something like that.
No, but I don't monetize the trading with faith.
No, that's cool. Yeah.
So that puts us on $10.
I mean, we can buy some McDonald's with that.
I'm trying Chris, new strat on stream. Tina's.
Do you have WhatsApp on your PC?
No, I don't.
We got low volume today, huh? Not really, Jerry. We have low volume at the moment. But if you look back right there on the left side, that was a lot of volume that went bullish. So I wouldn't necessarily say we have low volume.
I think the Oaks are gaming. They've got the thing on the side and they don't listen to you. And then you draw something like this.
Okay.
It's like, oh damn, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Are you calling it?
I'm calling it. I'm not.
What do you mean you're calling it? Keegs, I'm telling you, bro, the shorts are...
So why didn't you take them?
I don't want to have such a good entry. I want to take it a little bit later. I gave it to you there. But I think you got sliced yesterday.
Pretty sure some people in this chat is chatbots. People just saying random shit. I think the society is not intake trades with the G's. If that's in your bias, don't just push buttons. Yeah, no, we're not.
No, I'm not even opening up my terminal.
Alright, guys, I think we're just gonna leave it there then.
No, but we still need that extra dollar, my bro. 1,000 views for the dollar.
Oh, guys, remember, last 2 days, to win the PlayStation 5. Today, tomorrow, Friday, we do the win. If you guys there, check the link. I know Rixie will drop it here for you guys. If you simply sign up with that link using the partner code 2GSPS5, all trades on gold get you entered in to win the PS5. So if you took crypto short there, like Chef did, you just made some money on those shorts. And not only making money, but you also now stand a chance to win a brand new PS5. So 2 days left for that giveaway, guys, so make the most of it.
Wonder if this thing actually... Oh, interesting, Chad. Go and test this, guys.
I mean, that short alone just gave you 100 pips, 120 pips.
Go check that 9 a.m. candle.
You just saw Cribbo invent a new strat live in front of you.
No, I didn't invent it. I actually saw it on TikTok.
How are you guys doing the draw? Are you going to put all the trades on a sheet and just do random pick? Minus no. So we get all the guys who have entered trades. We get it through from the broker. That way we get you guys linked up your account numbers. But we also can see the emails. So the emails, hopefully we can see your name in that. And then, so all the guys who have traded gold in the period of the giveaway, every trade obviously was an entry. So the more you trade, the more entries you have. And you're going to be in the giveaway. Then from that point on, we just turn around. We're going to have a look back and see what happens. So from that, we pull whatever name comes out of the bag.
Listen, I'm thinking of a series coding TikTok strategies and making them better. So you go all these strategies that the guys share, you code it, you back test it. That could be a 6 series. Chad, would you guys like that?
Yeah, you ready to go full screen, bro? Or are we just hanging out there now?
We need that extra dollar, my bro. We're going to Dubai on Sunday.
Alright.
Like, just to give you an idea, smoothies are like 250 rand.
Maybe that's why people barcode. Every entry is a chance to win the giveaway. Well, I guess we're just vibing here now, guys.
No, I just Sorry, repeat that.
There goes gold, eh?
I told you, better entry there. You could have had a sniper entry.
I got back into the short. Chef, why did you close the first one? You were in it already.
Dude,
why
you
did
were
you get
in
out?
the mix there.
Oh. Chef's like, I'm in Chris's trade. I hope this works. I'm in the trade. I'm closing with my profits. I'm back in the trade.
I'm out of the trade again.
Oh.
He's in the short. I took profit. I went long. I went short again. No, Chad, I'm honest.
There you go. Now he's out again.
Chad, yeah, I'm not taking anything here. Like I said, volume is just basically dispersed over this entire daily range. I like to get something like this, consolidation around the point of control, and then to trade into fresh highs or fresh lows. So this for me is just, it's not it. It's not high probability. There's nothing in this for me. US 30, like I mentioned, just monitor this level. NAS slowly grinding back to go and fill that gap, and again just watch that daily level right there. But yeah, Keeks, nothing for me. I do think, like I mentioned, it's not every day there's a FOMC meeting. Please go and check out my latest post. I just gave some clarity as to what to look out for tonight with the press conference. Questions based off previous FOMCs that may be asked that can tilt the market, whatever Powell's rhetoric is. So I do think Powell is going to set the tone for Q1 and Q2 here. So no need to rush, guys. You can take it easy today. Highly doubt that I'm even going to take a trade during NYSE. Just going to wait for Powell, FOMC. And then that's going to take another 2 days to settle in. And then Sunday, flying out to Dubai. There's some Saudis that want us to show them the OES play. We only charged 250,000 Rand for international trip, so they booked us 4 times. That's what you said, Keegs?
Yeah.
So we do international one-on-ones, 250,000 Rand. So we'll be in Dubai.
But yeah, guys, we'll see you a little bit later. Prodigy, we'll see you guys for the New York stream. And then, yeah, I think it's actually the first one for the year. Hey, it's our watch party tonight for FOMC. First one for the year. So Prodigy, we'll see you for New York. Then we'll talk about the FOMC watch party tonight. But yeah, ladies and gents, that is it. Give it a shot for the stream.
I appreciate it, my brother.
And then, guys, we are going to see you all a little bit later. Well, most of you will see tomorrow. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
A blurry sunrise dawning, while we always up to the next day morning. And with all the chemicals worn out, made me feel good now. I be drowning in you, so thirsty. Couldn't care less how much it hurts me. Alright, but I'ma bite back. All the voices in my head getting louder. They told me not to tell you, but they're itching for the powder. Got that blurry vision, seeing double. Yeah, I love you, but you're all trouble. I'd be lying if I said I didn't love it. Carved a couple holes in my heart, so fuck it. And with all the chemicals, whoa, now I'm falling too far, falling too far. I keep going back to you. No more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more. Yeah, the bad habit, yeah, the bad habit.
by bit, creative imagination began with a new art form.